What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. Middle of the day today. It's Sunday. The truck was supposed to get here today. However, he called me this morning like, yeah, man, I got a late start, so he's not going to be until the morning. So, however, the bike was supposed to get here in the morning, and that thing has got here today. So now I got to go all the way to LA, 4 hours away, and in the midst of this, like, 100-degree heat, go out there, take delivery of the bike, put that up, come all the way back out here, take delivery of the truck, get that truck right, and then probably drive the truck back out that way with all the parts and stuff for the motorcycle. So, without further ado, man, hang with your boy for a couple hours, man. Let's get this thing done and hop on the road. I didn't tell my girl I was leaving. She was knocked out, so I know when she get up, she gonna be looking lost, like, what the heck is going on? But other than that, man, let's get some gas up, and be on our way now, shall we? Of course, we trying to save some money with this Costco gas. But this thing is like filled up. There's so many people in line. It's like, shoot, you rather save time or money? But we're gonna save some money today, man. So we're gonna get this thing filled up, hop on the road, looking real good with this tent. Hopefully we don't get burnt up like we usually do. So we should be good there, man. So as I suspected, bumper to bumper traffic. Everybody's leaving Vegas right now. Oh my God, like, they couldn't tell me earlier. Like, we literally did a whole swap. The truck was supposed to be here, like, tonight. Truck called, like, yeah, man, we got a late start, not gonna be until tomorrow morning. Then the bike people called me like, yeah, man, my driver didn't say he was out there. So we're gonna be out we can deliver between 5 and 9. It's 1:44, we got like a 5, like, now with traffic, it's literally like 5 hours probably. So, I don't know, we'll probably make it out there right at like 9 or something. Alrighty, guys, we finally got out of that traffic, man. We are just about 45 minutes away from our destination. So, hopefully our driver calls us pretty soon. Really, I'm hoping that he calls us like when we're closer, not this far at least. So, got a little bit of ways to go, but we're doing it. We have finally made it to LA, man. The driver just texted us. He's in like Palos Verdes right now, which is like maybe 20 minutes from our location. So he's got one bike to drop off, and then we are next. So let's hope this bike is everything we saw on the pictures, man. So my bike is right down here.
They better be towing your motorcycles?
Yeah, they just towed it from Atlanta.
That's yours?
Yeah, it's probably inside the trailer. Yo. Yeah. What's up, man?
Okay, well, the number was 13.
Yeah, I put the wrong one. It's this one right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Nah, the one in the back.
Oh.
So, man, they came through with the Big Daddy trailer on this joint. Super huge, Daddy. Let's see what we got here, man. The battery is dead. Have you tried to jump it or nothing?
They try, but
Oh, it doesn't.
we need a
Oh, okay.
some power.
Alrighty, guys. So the bike does not run. Fortunately, I don't know. Said it run and drives on Copart, but you know how that is. So we'll see right now. I thought you were gonna come tomorrow. I had just got here from Vegas.
Ah, yeah?
Yeah, I just drove in from Vegas. I wasn't gonna come till tomorrow. I'm like, oh dang, he's already out there.
Oh.
I was in a lot of traffic, so we like came same time. Yeah,
because the people go there too.
Yeah,
the
for sure. The
and
weekend,
stuff like
yeah,
that.
exactly, yeah. Dang, so it doesn't run. It said it runs on the auction site.
Man, the place that I picked this bike was the first time that I went there.
Right.
I've never been there before.
Nah. Hey, I need to figure out how to get that thing started, man.
Yeah, unfortunately not. She's on the middle.
Oh, okay. It's up front. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty, so we got a couple bikes.
Before
Right.
bags,
Okay.
you know, because one of them is very
It's
damaged.
broken. Yeah.
is damaged.
I seen that. Yeah.
The locked door is all
Right.
the
Yeah.
time
I got a new one
open.
already. Yeah.
Man, I said no. I need to remove it. I save it over there.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, I will remove
Dang, that thing
those
looks
bikes.
cool. Yeah. Like,
Yeah,
check it
she
out, bro.
is amazing. I mean,
It looks good, man.
I guess that to fix is not a big deal
Right.
because you need to get the
Yeah,
crash bar.
bar. Yeah, exactly.
Because you can change the gears over there.
Right.
Man, I guess that the bike.
Man, so have you tried to jump it, or you haven't tried to
No,
jump
they
it?
try it, they start it, but the moment that the bike goes,
Right.
start running,
Right.
she
Oh, okay.
then
Bogs
need a
out.
more bust.
Keep
you know?
bogging out, yeah.
Yeah. But man, this is insane.
Yeah, it's the CVO one, so I mean, it's worth some little money, you know.
Yeah.
But I mean,
on the front has a little
little
more
scratches
damage,
too. Yeah, I seen that on the line. Yeah.
Yeah. But basically, man, this is a good bike to restore and fix. And
Yeah, man, that's the plan. I can't wait. Hopefully, it all works out.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully, it works out, man. Oh, that one's not that bad. That's the left bag.
This one only the scratches,
Okay,
minor
yeah, that's
scratches
not that
there.
bad.
Yeah.
Looks pretty decent.
Yes.
It's got the speakers and everything. Oh yeah.
Even the lockers, we're not here.
Oh okay.
They just, if you see, they stripe it. See there on the white stripes.
Oh yeah, they put it with the
They put only this.
Yeah, to hold it up.
But everything is
Okay, I mean it's all good. I knew it was gonna be a project, so I already got the bags for it.
Yeah.
So this isn't the bike we bought, but we get a closer look.
May I park here?
Yeah, that's fine. Get a closer look at what's going on, man. Closer look, dog. We can get a better view at the front of the bike before it comes off the trailer. Man, this thing is looking that much better. Check out at this thing. We got the CVO. Ooh, it looks like, what kind of pipes are these? RC exhaust. Haven't seen those before, but we got the big fat daddy chrome wheel in the back there. Big screaming eagle. Ooh, I can't wait. Cannot wait, baby. Alrighty, guys, it is coming off the trailer finally, man. I can't wait. Let's see what this thing looks like in the sunlight. Let's see what it look like in the sunlight. Woo. Sheesh. Get that thing, man. That thing look clean. And we got some chrome on there. A few little dented pieces, not a big deal. Not a big deal. And the kickstand worked. That's a plus. The last one I got, the kickstand didn't work.
Let me check here.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Too dead, huh?
Yeah, but 964, man.
Wow.
There you go.
That's crazy. Here it is, man. That's wild. Got to.
Save the.
Yeah, I just got out here right now. Alrighty, guys. Here it is. Man, we got a little damage right here on the fender. No big deal. The fairing, I mean, got some damage right there. Gotta get a crash bar. We can literally take this off right there, one bolt. Take that off and have that fixed. The tank is dented. I was hoping like that the tank wasn't dented, but it is dented, unfortunately. So we'll have to get that crash bar off to switch gears at least. And hope for the best there, man. The hard part is gonna be getting this thing in the backyard. I don't know, we'll see. We shall see. Alrighty, guys, so we got this thing pushed to the back. It's looking that much better now. You guys see that? Yes, sir. Custom vehicle operations. You guys gotta know a little something about that bad boy. Got a cool little setup though. It look good. Gotta clean that chrome. Get this fender fixed up front. Get that fender fixed right there. Get this fairing painted. Now I'm thinking about going with a whole different color, but really like the main color, which is like this orangish red. So we'll see what's up with that, but we gotta get this crash bar off, man. So first things first, we gotta try to get off, I'm guessing, like this bolt right here, and take this crash bar off and see what we can get done, man. Alrighty, so this thing does not fire up. I'm guessing the battery is like completely dead or whatever the case may be. So I need to take off this seat and get the jumper box and see if we can get this thing fired up at least, man. So this is a little bit different of a seat. Haven't seen this one before. It's a CVO seat, but should be, oh, just as I thought, pretty simple. Pretty simple. All right, man, so we got the thing tethered up. Let's see. Oh yeah, still no action. All right, so I had to go to AutoZone real quick and get some star Allen keys to take off the bolts on the side so we can get that crash bar off and maybe get this thing started. It looks like it's pushing up against that shifter, so I don't know if the shifter's getting stuck or what's the case, but we're gonna hope for the best here, man, and try to get everything sorted out. So we made it back to the house, and I'm on the crash side of the bike. I'm trying to get, I got the screw up here off. Where is it? I got this middle screw off. I got the other side off. However, this side right here is literally like bent up in there. I don't even know how I'm gonna get to this screw. Like right there, I gotta get to that screw right there, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But man, haven't got this thing running yet, but we'll see. I gotta hit the road in a minute because the bike gets here in the morning, man, so I can't do too much on this, but I have to wait for some hands that know what they doing. Dark out, but like I said, I gotta come back. I'm kind of in a rush, so I don't got much time to mess with it, but I gotta figure out how to either cut this metal and get to that bolt down there. Once we pull all this off, we can see why it's not starting. I don't know if it's just a battery or not. I'm not really a Harley professional or expert. Usually at times like this, I'll just take it to the shop or whatever, which I probably might do, who really knows, but I'm gonna leave it tonight and then we'll get back to it in a couple days. Hopefully we come back down, maybe one of the homies or somebody come help me out, come try to get this thing started, because it cranks up. It doesn't even crank, but like it's completely dead. Completely dead. But you guys see that custom vehicle operations, everything light up, 9,000 miles on the dash. This light is like super dim, but y'all see what's going on. We gotta get a we got the bag already. We gotta get another speaker because this side is like completely like blown out on the bottom. So we gotta get another speaker for that. We already got the bag for this side. We need another latch, bag latch, because this one is all scratched up. But after that, trying to decide. See, now this tank is like all dented in and stuff under there. So I don't know. We're gonna have to probably get a whole new paint job on the whole thing. So I don't know if I want to continue with this CVO look, because they have every part on eBay for this bike, like OEM part. They have the same fairing and everything on eBay, but they don't have this bag. So judging if I can get this bag is busted, so I'll show you this side. But judging if I can get this matched, we'll go with that. But other than that, I'll probably get it repainted like literally the same color, but without this little ghost flame right here. But we'll see, man. I can't wait to check it out. Can't wait to get this thing started. Wish I had time today. Wish they would have came early, but it is what it is, man. So alrighty, guys, and just like that, man, we have made it back to Vegas, man. We should have the truck in a couple hours. So yeah, I can't wait for that. I'm actually more excited about the truck than the bike. Unfortunately, the bike didn't get started today. I didn't really even have enough time to really even figure out and sit down and do what I needed to do. But you know, we'll come back later on in the week and figure that out. But for now, let's focus on the truck, man. We got the bike settled and it's over there, so we know we can go do that anytime. But in the meantime, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you guys think about the bike so far, though? Does it look pretty good to you, man? What do you think about it? What do you think about the damage? But yeah, man, I can't wait to get that thing all tidied up, man. But hopefully we can get the truck good to go tomorrow or later on today, rather. And then drive that back down there to go check out the motorcycle in depth. So hopefully we can work it out.